and welcome to Starting Up, the show that puts the spotlight on the most innovative entrepreneurs in the Indian startup community. Entrepreneurs, not just the young and restless, but also the seasoned pros. We have them all for you on the show today. Let's take a look then at what's lined up over the next half hour. We come to you from the office of Carwale. Fits right into our auto theme this week, and who better defines that sector than Jagdish Khattar, former Managing Director of Maruti Udyog. Now, after 37 years of experience in this space, well, guess what? He's restarting his engine, all revving to go with his startup Carnation. Surbhi Goyal checks out the ace marketeer's plans to redefine auto retailing.
With India's largest car maker, an array of accolades, a sure sign of a content retirement. Not so for former Maruti top boss Jagdish Khattar. So what really prompted him to come out of retirement and start an entrepreneurial venture at the age of 65?
I've never thought of retiring. I mean, as long as one can work, one should. And one of the reasons was that I was in Maruti. I had been there for 13, 14 years. I was CEO for over 8 years. So one was getting a little bored doing the same thing again and again, and one could see an opportunity. And it was something which has not been done in India. And I love challenges in the sense to do something different and which makes a lot of meaning. So I decided that I would venture into and become an entrepreneur.
Living up to the challenge, Khattar decided to open a multi-brand auto distribution and sales service center, Carnation.
I had experience in automobiles. I studied. I went around the country. I could see how the market will develop over the next 4 or 5 years. Market will grow, sales will grow. But the infrastructure required to meet those sales and after sales requirements was not growing enough. So there was a huge gap.
All auto-related solutions under one roof. Through 17 hubs spread across India, Carnation provides complete solutions starting from quick servicing, mechanical repairs, body repairs and insurance for almost all brands of cars. An approach which they believe works in their favor.
We are multi-brand, means we can do much more than one model. The economy, the customer profile is changing. There are so many families today who have more than one car. They have got to go to different workshops. We provide them one location for all that.
Carnation also has a service center where it allows consumers to customize their cars. And for this, it has tied up with DC Design, Dilip Chhabria's car boutique. Carnation's in-car entertainment hub offers almost a complete in-car demo to put you in the right mood before your purchase. To go with this music, car accessories that enhance the interiors are also sold. The sector is no doubt a capital-intensive one, and to support them, Carnation has roped in two investors, IFCI Ventures and Premji Invest, who went ahead with Carnation's game plan. And within a year of launch, Carnation's team has successfully reaped revenues of 30 crore rupees and projects revenues of over 200 crores in next 3 years by keeping its customers happy.
Being a new facility, they have got all new equipment and well-trained staff. Since this is Jagdish Khattar's initiative, I thought it's much better than the local garages.
Perfectness, the finishing, the rate, whatever they have made for me, and service quality, accessories quality. That's the reason I came back again.
With a view to keep these happy customers even happier, Carnation will soon launch Workshop on Wheels. Fully equipped vans servicing your vehicle anytime, anywhere.
And speaking of startups in the auto space, we're chatting today with the founder of Carvali.com, Mohit Dubey. Chances are you probably visited his website every time you thought of buying or even selling that car. Great to have you on the show, Mohit.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit for starters about what Carvali does.
So Carvali exists so that car consumers can make a better decision while they buy a car, sell a car, take a car loan or car insurance. Car buying is really a regret-free experience. You always believe that I could have got a better deal on accessories, I would have got a better deal on car loan, my interest rate is higher, or probably I would have sold my old car for a higher value, etc. So we looked at the whole space and said that, can we help a customer choose the right car?
So basically it's about getting the best deal. But
Yeah.
you know, a little bit about the scale and what's the plan going forward for Carvali?
Auto market is much better over the last 2 years. We are looking at almost 20% growth this year. India would be selling almost, 24 lakh cars next year. We are looking at almost 300% growth this year.
All right, and good luck with that, Mohit. Great chatting with you and great office, by the way. Okay, with that, we take a pit stop on Starting Up, but there's a lot more. Come.